Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most exciting parts of video editing, using effects in KwaiCut. You might have seen professional editors use stylish transitions, glitch effects, and body or motion effects in their videos, but the good news is, you can do all of that right on your phone using the KwaiCut app. In this tutorial, I'll show you two main types of effects. Video effects. These affect the whole clip, like glitch, motion blur, retro, and cinematic styles. And character/body effects. These affect the subject in your video, like pose adjustments, slim, or motion effects that make your videos more dynamic. And the best part? I'll show you step by step with real examples so you can follow along easily and make your videos stand out. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into KwaiCut effects tutorial. First, we'll start with video effects. Tap on the video effects option. Here, you'll find lots of effects under different categories such as hot, basic, dynamism, blur, embellish, and more. KwaiCut offers a huge collection of amazing effects that can make your videos or photos look outstanding. The best part, they're completely free, and there's no watermark issue at all. Adding an effect is very simple. Just choose an effect and tap on it. It'll take a few seconds to download and show you a preview. Once you're satisfied, just tap on the right check mark. And that's it, your effect is added. You'll see the effect placed just below your video clip on the timeline. You can also change the position of the effect. Simply hold the effect, then drag and drop it to your desired position. You can also increase or decrease the duration of the effect, depending on how long you want it to appear. Another cool thing, you can add multiple effects to the same video. Just select another effect, tap the check mark, and it'll be added too. And if you ever want to replace an effect, it's super easy. Just select the effect, tap on the replace button from the bottom menu, and choose a new one. That's it. Now you know exactly how to add, edit, and replace video effects in KwaiCut. Now let's move to character effects. These effects work directly on the person or body in your video, similar to body effects in CapCut. You'll find a wide collection of character effects under categories like hot, wing, face stickers, wobble, and more. Just select any effect, tap on it, wait a few seconds to download, and preview it on your video. If you like how it looks, tap on the check mark to apply it. You can adjust the position and duration of character effects just like video effects. Simply drag, drop, or trim to set them exactly where you want. So that's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned how to use video effects and character effects in KwaiCut to make your edits more creative and eye-catching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.